take an X-Acto knife or any knife, your pocket knife of some sort. Making sure I get through both the inner and outer bark layers because I am going to harvest both of them. And then simply start peeling it off. So there you go, I just pushed it back a bit. Get it started. It can still tear, so you want to be careful with it. And what I like to use is, I've got an old dull axe head. Just my way around. You can use just your fingers. And you can also lay it flat and peel it like that. And you're doing it this way though. See what the tear that happened there? So we've got an actual hole in there because had I been paying attention when I got to that point, I could have scraped or used my X-Acto knife. Let's see, there's the blemish, the wound. So there was a branch there once upon a time way deep inside, so you won't see the actual branch coming out, but that's healed over and that's the scar. And so you can see, right again, there's the scar I showed on the outside, and here's what it looks like on the inside. So you want to be a little bit more gentle when you're dealing with that part there, because that could adhere and put another hole in there. And we're back to peeling. And again, another scar, bigger scar, so I'm going to take my time. Peel gently and work the axe head. There you go. Another nice piece of birch bark. There you can see how thick that is. Then for the inner bark, it's a little tougher. I have a stick that I've kind of whittled down thin. You just get it in between the wood, the log, like a knife, but it's less likely to tear it. Now with the inner bark, it's not that big a deal if you take it off in pieces, not in one piece, but it's just nice to have that. it all just comes down to how much time you want to spend on this. Or are you cutting firewood and as a secondary thought, collecting birch bark? Or is birch bark what you're really after and the firewood is secondary? There it is. One piece. And you can see how thick it is.